Hi guys, welcome back to you. In this video guys, I want to show you how you can make some extra money with this airdrop that I'm about to show you guys. So in this app, you'll be earning real coin and its token. So by the time they launch the coin, you will be like among those people who make like $1,000 from it. Yeah, it is possible. You know, many people they hear me saying 1,000. Yes, it is possible. I've made it before from these kinda airdrop apps. Yeah, so it is the right time to take this opportunity. Don't take anything for granted, guys. This app is a cryptocurrency app and it is still new. So make sure you are a pioneer on this, like one of the people who like early birds. Okay, so make sure you register. I'll put the link on the comment section, and also I'm gonna put the code. Remember, you really need the code for you to register for an account. It is not optional, it is a must for you to have that code while registering. So make sure you copy the code for you to register successfully and start claiming your free airdrops. Okay, so I'm gonna take you through. For those who are new on my channel or they have come across my video for the first time, you are welcome. My name is Cynthia, and on this channel we talk about money making ways or how to make money online. Okay, so if you're new here, you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe, like the video, share if possible, and again turn the notification bell on so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be notified and you will get to watch the video and grab the opportunity as early as possible. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to click on the link. When you click on the link, let me show you what it will show you. So guys, this is what is gonna appear when you first tap on the link. This is the page that you're gonna see. Like you'll see something like the name of the app is Bitcase, like just Bitgate or Bitcoin. So they're launching their app, like they have launched their own coin, which is called BTGS. Okay, so that is the coin for this app called Bitcase. If you've ever interacted with crypto or in crypto, like you know what I'm talking about. Okay, so you can see congratulations, you've been invited by this person, so please copy their referral code before downloading the app, then use it during sign up. Okay, so it is up it is like a must. You can see it is written here, you have to copy it. So don't copy this one, don't copy this one. I'm gonna put for you the right one on the comment section. Okay, and also our WhatsApp group link. So don't copy this, okay. So I'm gonna put the right one on the comment section. So after that, the next page that is gonna appear on your phone or on your screen is, so the next thing is you're gonna see something like this on your screen. You're gonna see this download Bitcase mobile app. Like you can see, experience great features, discover the simplicity and power of Bitcase. Yeah, so guys, you can see the next thing is you're gonna download the app. You can use the mobile version, or you can use the APK one. There are many options if you scroll down. Okay, so it is that simple, guys. If you use the code, you'll be able to get the reward. At the same time, you'll be able to register on the app. If you don't have that coin, there is no way you can register. So this is it. Bitcase. Welcome to Bitcase. Your journey to rewards and growth starts here. Earn free tokens, claim daily points, and grow your balance effortlessly. Stay active, invite friends, optional, and position yourself early, because Bitcase is just getting started and you are part of the foundation. So be among the pioneers, join, don't take this for granted. And the good thing about them, they earn, like you'll earn USDT, and also you'll get a Bitcase coin and also Bitgate token. So I'm gonna show you all these things in the app itself. So if you download the app, you log into your account, the first thing you're gonna see on the screen is start earning free cryptocurrency with BitGS. No investment required, no hidden fees, and no risk. Just claim, mine, and grow your rewards. Guys, take this opportunity serious. So you're gonna click on start, or you can see your team. We have earn, we have invite, we have KYC, we have blog update, we also have quiz games. So this app has just like they've just launched it, so it is new. So the more people register, the more it will be like cutting off the rewards. So if today they're giving 100, maybe when they reach a certain number of users, they will decrease the rewards that they give until it will reach a point whereby they will cut off the rewards, like they won't be giving free airdrops. So get this opportunity as early as now. Register, claim your free rewards. They have different ways of earning. So the number one is creating a team where you share your link with your friends, family. It's not a must, and it is optional. Like you can register, it's optional, and at the same time you can get more rewards when you invite friends. At the same time, uh, you'll be rewarded more as you invite friends. Okay, so if you click on earn option, we have different options for earning. Let's wait, click on skip, so you can see we have projects and social. So social, I did some. So after every, let me see, you'll be claiming 0.03 USDT after every maybe 14 hours or so. You can see what is on my screen. Then we also have social task that you have to do for you to earn. You can see if you click on early bird rewards, if you click on start, you'll be able to get 0.5 USDT. And again, if you comment in our TG chat room, you'll be getting 2000 bit game. Then we also read bit game information and get BGC or BitGet coin. BitGas coin is the name of their coin, and they also have BitGame token. So guys, join, claim these things for free. If I click on start, let's see what it will show me. Yeah, I'm gonna go through Chrome. Let's see. Okay, let me go back. I think those are just ads. Yeah, sorry guys. So let's go back. See. Okay, let me just do okay, it has been rewarded. Okay, I think if you open that link, you're gonna get some USDT. I'm gonna show you my wallet to show you what I've gotten so far. So the next instruction is comment in our TG chat room on Telegram. So the app, okay, yesterday when I joined, this group was having 40 people. Right now it is 77, and I joined at I think midnight. So people are joining, guys. People are joining worldwide. Make sure you join. Make sure you join. You can see important update from BitGes team. We sincerely apologize to our users who have experienced inconveniences with ads loading and placement. You can see what I was just experiencing. Your feedback and reactions have been heard loud and clear. Okay, so guys, here is where you'll be getting more updates. So if you join early, you are among the first people to claim more rewards. So make sure you join, guys. This is free. You don't need to pay anything. So if you have any question, you can chat. So let us go back to see if I will be rewarded the 2000. Okay, you can see I've been told to claim. So let me claim. You can see I've already claimed it, and it can also expire. So let me go to the next instructions. Read BitGes information. So okay, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna read. Let's read and see what is written there. So what I've just read, you're gonna join. After joining, you can see here they are having 58, so it is still new. Important update coming soon. Stay tuned for details about BGS. Future upcoming maintenance and improvement to ensure a smoother, better experience. Okay, so guys, even those people who are using Binance, they are those people who joined when the Binance app was still young or it was launched, they got BNB for free, and right now one BNB is $800 and something. Okay, so I'm gonna click on claim. So I normally share with you guys these things when they're still early. So if you take these things serious, you're gonna make something out of them. I've done this before and I've claimed even the pie. People took it for granted because it took so long, but at the end of at the end of the wait, it was like worth it, because if you claimed like 1,000 pie for free and you sold it when it was 1 point something dollars, $1.7, you know, you made a lot of money from it for free. Okay, so we have ways of earning. We have project, and we also have social media, and also inviting friends. Okay, so you can see I'm gonna mine. If you click on start now, I think they're gonna bring an ad, but I'm gonna skip the ad. That is what they are talking about. You can skip. You can see right now claim. So you claim after specific indicated hours. You can see you claim after every 3 hours, and again also I'm gonna claim this. So you claim BGS coin and also BitGame. So it is, so you can see the leadership. We also have the leaderboard up here. We have many people worldwide claiming this coin, so why not you? You can see the number of coin these people have claimed already. I feel sad because I've joined late. I wish I knew I could, like, I got it earlier than this. I joined as early as now. Let me show you my wallet. So you can see my wallet. I'm having BGS coin 3,300. You can see I'm having BitGo token 5,000 and 0.56 USDT, guys. Airdrop side is here. Home, leaderboard, and if you want to see your profile, KYC. I think KYC is not yet. It's coming soon. KYC is coming soon. And we also have blog where you can get the whole form information, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you have any question, you can read this article. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope I'm clear enough. Join as early as possible. You can see I've been notified to claim rewards. Yeah, don't forget to claim your BTS coins every 3 hours. So you're supposed to log in into your account after every 3 hours to claim your coins. Okay, guys? Yeah, it's that simple. Actually, I've seen an update, something. Again, stay tuned for details about BTS future upcoming maintenance and improvements to ensure a smoother, better experience for all users. So guys, if you've watched this video until this point, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you grab this opportunity, use it well, make some cash out of it.